can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd follow you before the memory's gone. I remember you.
Drop it.
So those who follow me on Instagram know that I got a sling bag by Cat, and the packaging this time was very nice. They did not include much of those airbags or bubble or anything of that sort, and just a plastic theli and a hard cardboard box. Good enough. And here is the sling bag, one-sided. I got this bag for around 1600 rupees, and the link for the same I'll provide below in the description. So it has 4 compartments. First one being this Velcro compartment on the back side, the main zip. So it has 2 zips here, and the zipper has this nice Cat branding. Let me just focus. So you see that it has a nice Cat branding, and on the front too it has this big Cat branding here, which is kind of embossed rubber, which is again nice. It even has a front side compartment here, and inside it has one more compartment for your tablets and all delicate electronic instruments. And the complete bag is a water resistant type. It has Cat branding on the inside too, and overall it looks really nice. A sling bag which looks pretty cool. And along with the sling bag I even got this mobile cover for my Moto G3, and I wanted to show you this mobile cover because I'm liking it. See this? This complete thing is metal, and inside the complete construction is a rubberized plastic kind of thing, and the mobile phone fits in nicely. Yeah, there we go. And I purchased this bag basically because I wanted to give it to Deepika.
And now what happened, I just pinged him hi, and he replied me, and he also said that chala aata ghari aa. Then I'm like, yeah, I'm really very happy. He's calling me back. Yeah, I'm going to go back, but obviously I'm not going to stay here, and I'm also missing him.
भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुडध्वजं
कोण आलं तुझ्या अंगात? So Prasad, what you are making?
कॉफी.
For whom?
काफी हम सबके लिए काफी बना रहा है.
किस खुशी में?
ऐसे ही आज हमारा मन किया हम काफी बनाए, सोचा काफी बनाए.
पर तुम तो दूध पीते ही नहीं हो.
अब हमने दूध वूध सब पीना चालू किया, तो बाड़ी बनाना. बाड़ी
दिखाओ कितना है.
बाड़ी थोड़ा बन रहा, अभी बन रहा. देखो ट्राई से पार. अभी सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट रहा.
What? You're going to put Nutella?
वही है वो दोस्त. राउंड 1.
कैसे लगेगा ये?
1 teaspoon of Nutella.
That is too much.
In the coffee. I like the hazelnut flavor, although the coffee will become a little, what do you call it? There will be a layer of fat or oily kind of layer on the top. But of course it will give a hazelnut flavor to the complete coffee.
Okay.
And that will taste really nice. Yum, 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 yum.
It looks yum.
And this thing goes in my mouth.
How much calories?
Who cares about the calories? I don't know what happened, but coffee का पनीर बन गया.
I think so. It is because of Nutella. What do you think?
दूधन.
Wow!
So guys, you know what this is? Any guesses? No, it is not shit in a plate. This is what happened to the coffee Nutella डालने के बाद. And I don't know how this will taste, because I feel this is paneer. This is how paneer is made, right? So maybe it will taste like paneer, and I'll try having it right now. So guys, today I need to tell you something, a very interesting thing. And we just came from the gym. Leg day था आज, और पाँव वापस बहुत दुख रहा है, तो बैठ लेता हूँ. And this thing is about, जब मैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए जाता था, तो I used to live in a area which is still called as Kirol village. या तो वहाँ पे गटर बहुत होते थे, तो I had to tell you about the area क्योंकि वहाँ पे गटर होते थे. And this whole story is related to gutters. तो गटर में क्या होता था, आजू बाजू में पत्थर गिरे रहते थे, तो एग्जाम के टाइम में जब भी जाता था मैं पत्थर को लात मारता था, और अगर पत्थर गटर में गया तो मैं पास अगर नहीं गया तो पेपर खराब जाएगा। बट दिस वॉज कम्प्लीट साइकोलॉजिकल, और मुझे एक्चुअल में ऐसे लगता था कि अरे यार गटर में पत्थर गया नहीं पहले फटके में, तो शायद मेरा पेपर गंदा जाएगा। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट थिंग एट द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड मैं खराब परफॉर्म करता था एग्जाम में। और एक बार क्या हुआ, पत्थर गटर में गया और मैं फेल हो गया मैथ्स में। दिस वॉज 9th स्टैंडर्ड एंड देन आई रियलाइज गटर पत्थर ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है। आई रियलाइज इट इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड, बट कुछ लोग हैं जो ये रियलाइज ही नहीं करते, और वो हाथ में धागा बांध के घूमते हैं, अंगूठियाँ पहन के घूमते हैं। ये सारे पत्थर है जो वो गटर में डाल रहे हैं, पर उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है। द सूनर यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इट इज़ बेटर फॉर यू। पत्थर गटर में डालने को मजा बहुत आता है वैसे।
मजा आता है।
बिस्किट की रानी कौन? दीपिका, दीपिका। Oh fuck. No, I'll have to eat that one. सोड दे आत्मा को डाकू या क्वालिटी कंट्रोल तिमी काइन उसी बहाने कुछ खाने को मिल जाएगा। There was a time when friends used to meet and play cricket, football, lagori, abadubi, chupa chupi, pakra pakri, and now they play Mini Malaysia, Illuminati. So today I was planning to go to this event by OnePlus, which was their OnePlus 3 launch event in Mumbai. But what happened was 3 दिन पहले उन्होंने they have given review units to many YouTubers. I saw videos of MKBHD, C4E-Tech, Gigi Ranjit. So the excitement which I had for the event was lost eventually, and I did not happen to go there. So I just gave it a pass because whatever they are going to unveil in the event has already been revealed. And in the evening I'll be going to YouTube's event, which they have collaborated with Sony, and they have kept a happy hour session in the Hard Rock Cafe. So I'll be going there and seeing some gadgets, some cameras by Sony. So yeah, that is what is in the plan now. So I'm all set for the event and headed to Andheri, Lokhandwala Hard Rock Cafe. That is where the event is, and let's see what Sony has in store for us. And I'm carrying this bag today with me. Yeah, the one I gifted Deepika बेशर्मों की तरह लेके जा रहा हूँ. I just wanted to try it once, but I promise you after that I'll be giving it to her. And there she is. I was just about to leave, and there comes my lady. मी चाललोय आता. Just निघत होतो.
बरं झालं ना मी भेटली तुला.
Bye bye. So guys, I am at the Hard Rock Cafe. Exactly 8 बजे पहुंच गया. It took me 1 hour to come here from Ghatkopar. Like इतना ट्रैफिक होता है, अंधेरी का ट्रैफिक क्या बताओ आपको, साकीनाथ एंड स्टफ. It is just overcrowded, pouring with people. And I wanted to tell you about time. टाइम की कदर कीजिएगा. टाइम की कदर नहीं करोगे तो टाइम आपकी कदर नहीं करेगा, और आपको समझेगा नहीं कि इतना गंदा टाइम कब आ गया. आपको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा ये सोचने के बारे में कि इतना गंदा टाइम कैसे शुरू हो गया. That was bad, right? Yeah, but टाइम की कदर कीजिए. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's it. And now I'll be entering in. I don't socially come out for such things, events and stuff. This is my first time. The actual first time was the Fan Fest, and now this will be the second time. Technically the second time. So yeah. I'm out of the event right now, and still you can hear the thumping. And the event was good. It was not a formal event. It was very much like a party. Everyone was dancing, having a great time. So if you have a dance channel or a music channel, entertainment channel, prank channel, happy hours will be a great thing for you. So definitely do visit all the happy hours that YouTube conducts. Like YouTube is really supporting the content creators and organizing all these things. It is really nice. YouTube, you're doing a great job. So keep it up. And as far as reviews are concerned, I did get some contacts and yeah, PR contacts finally. So as you know, I don't have many PR contacts, but finally I did get some. And let's see if it is helpful in the near future. चला आता झिंगाट करू झिंगाट काय म्हणता झिंगाट करू. So guys, I'm back home and it is not just you people who watch my vlogs, me too. I keep on watching my vlogs continuously because these are my memories. छोटी छोटी यादें हैं जो मैं संभाल के एक compressed वर्जन बना रहा हूँ जो देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. और अभी मैं एक याद कैप्चर करना चाहता हूँ. I want to capture this moment. दीपिका gets really excited whenever I come home. Hopefully उसने खाना खाया हो. आजकल वो खाना खाने लगी है. And I want to capture this moment. So I'll capture her reaction when I enter the house. And let's see if I'm able to do that. So I got this new game, Dirt Rally. So you can see it has got 4 DVDs inside. And it will take about 35 GB of space on your machine. That's too much. So we are at the Viviana Mall today and this is the first time I'm being here. We are meeting some of our friends after a very long time. And I'll be...
Just 5 minutes I guess.
Yeah, and I'll be checking out this mall because I'm visiting it for the first time. So let's see how this mall is. Like कोई लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा मॉल है. I've seen Phoenix, in orbit, many malls of the western side and even the central region, Lower Parel. So let's see if this mall manages to impress me.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it.
चल पका हुआ है खूब. And I just met Harsh Dhanuka, one of our subscribers. ये हमेशा कमेंट करता है हमारे सारे वीडियोस पे. Another subscriber, Akash Jadhav. It really feels good whenever I meet any of my subscribers outside when I'm just shopping or roaming here and there. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो अगर कभी भी आप मुझे कहीं भी देखो, बिंदास आके मिलना, सेल्फी लेना, I don't mind at all. So guys, I had a great time at the Viviana Mall and it is a very nice mall, especially the architecture. The complete structure is good. It is not as big as the Phoenix Market City at Kurla, but yeah, it is a good mall. So if you ever visit Thane, definitely visit the Viviana Mall and I'm sure you'll have a good time. It is a good mall.